So, good day ma'am, this is my performance task. So, basic maxims in criminal law. Doctrine of pro reo. Whenever a penal law is to be construed or applied and the law admits of two interpretation. So, ang pro reo kuno, so ang batas is mo panig siya sa isa ka accused pag ang ebidensya sa ga file ng kaso is dili klaro or dili kadayaw ma-identify na siya ito. Equipoise rule. So when the evidence of the prosecution and the defense are quality balanced, the skill should be titled in favor of the accused in obedience to the constitutional presumption of innocence. So kapag ang ebidensya ng prosecution ay magkapantay, so ang desisyon na hukuman ay dapat pabor sa akusado dahil ang presumption of innocence. So nulum crimen nulla pena sine lege. So there is no crime when there is no law punishing the same. This is the true civil law countries but not common law countries. So ining nulum krimen nulla pena sine lege. So walang krimen kung walang batas na nagpaparusa dito. So for example, ang isa ka tao is yang numbag siya. So kung waray kaso ng panumbag, so dili siya pwede kasuhan kay wala say balaod na galaong na bawal manumbag. So actus non facitrium nisi means citria. The act cannot be criminal where the mind is not criminal. This is true to felony characterized by dolo, but not a felony resulting from culpa. So ang ibig sabihin nito ay ang isang gawain ay hindi magiging krimen kung walang masamang intensyon ang gumawa. So kailangan may criminal intent o masamang layunin upang magkaroon ng krimen. So actus me invito, factus non est mens actus. So the act done by me against my will is not my act. So ini ibig sabihin ay ang isang gawa na ginawa laban sa kagustuhan ng isang tao ay hindi matuturing na kanyang sariling gawa. So example, so kung napilitan lamang siya gawin ito. So ignorantia legis non excusat. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. So a legal principle holding that a person cannot escape liability for violating a law merely because he or she is unaware of its content. So nga di is waray excuse sa balaod. So for example, ang isa ka tao is gikan siya sa bukid. So mikani siya sa syudad. So gada siya ng illegal gibali. So wala siya kasayod na bawal ba yan to na for example gada siya ng drugs o marijuana. So wala si ngadto sa ila is wala ito na galaong na bawal. So pag abot niya nga ni is yadakpan siya pero galaong siya na wala siya kasayod na ambay ang balaod. So dili yon rason para exempted na siya sa kaso. So ignorantia facie excusat honest mistake of fact. So excuses the actor from criminal liability because a person acting under a mistake of fact does not have a criminal intent. So ito ay nagkahulugan na ang tapat na pagkakamali sa isang pangyayari ay maaari maging dahilan upang hindi hindi managot sa krimen dahil wala namang masamang intensyon. Duralix Sidlix. So, the law may be harsh but it is the law. So gani kuno ang balaod is bugat siya pero waray ato mahimo is ang balaod is balaod gayon na dapat ato tumanon. Common law crimes, acts or deeds which commonly condemned as wrong or compatible event through there is no law declaring such acts or deeds as criminal. So ini ay mga gawain na itinuturing na mali ng lipunan kahit walang nakasulat na batas tungkol dito. So ang Pilipinas ang krimen ay dapat may batas na nagdeklara nito. So tulad ng nasa revised penal code. So, felony and liability. So felony, a crime under the revised penal code, is referred to as do not use this term in reference to a violation of a special law. So ining sa felony is mga krimen na ilaya commit na matawag na felony kung under sa revised penal code. So offense, crimes punished under the special law, otherwise known as a statutory offense. So ining offense ay ito ang mga krimen na pinaparusahan sa ilalim ng special law o ibang batas. So misdemeanor, so a minor infraction of the law such as violation of an ordinance. So ining misdemeanor is ito ang maliit na paglabag sa batas tulad ng paglabag sa balaod ng isa ka lungsod o munisipyo. So classification of felonies. First is according to the manner of their commission, and second is according to the stage of their execution, and third according to their gravity. So general elements of felonies. So first, letter A is an act or omission. So act, any kind of body movement which tends to produce some effect in the external world, includes precision. So ang act, ito ay anumang kilos o galaw ng katawan na maaring magdulot ng epekto sa ibang tao o sa paligid. Halimbawa, so for example, so pananakit o pagkuha ng bagay na hindi sa iyo. And omission, the failure to perform the positive duty which one is bound to under the law. So ining omission is ito ay hindi paggawa ng isang tungkulin na dapat gawin ayon sa batas. So example ini is ang isang pulis na hindi tumulong sa taong nasa panganib kahit tungkulin naman niya. So ayan example ng isa ka omission. And B, punishable by the RPC or the revised penal code. And C, committed by means of first is dolo. So ining dolo, ito ay sinasadyang paggawa ng krimen o may masamang intensyon ang isa ka tao. So for example, gituyo ganyan na mangawat. May example. So number 2 is kulpa. So ang kulpa ay ito ang krimen na nagawa dahil sa kapabayaan ng isang tao. So 3 requisites of dolo. So first, letter A is he must have a freedom while doing an act or omitting do an act. So dapat iya gid kagustuhan or yang waray sugo sa iya. So B, he must have an intelligence while doing omitting an act. So dapat ibaw siya sa iya gipanghimo dapat. And sunod C, he must have an intent while doing or committing. So dapat may iya gid motibo ng buhaton nito na krimen. And criminal intent is not and three requisites of culpa. So first, letter A, criminal negligence, and B, freedom of action, and C, intelligence in performing the negligence act. So nga di, doctrines concerning culpable crimes. So first, letter A, emergency role. So a person who is confronted with a sudden emergency may believe no time for to, so he must make a speedy decision based largely upon impulse of instinct. So ang emergency role ko ay tumutukoy sa isang sitwasyon kung saan ang isang tao ay naharap sa biglang emergency at kailangan gumawa kagad ng kanyang desisyon. And B is doctrine of last clear chance. So the contributory negligence of the party injured will not defeat the action if it be shown that the accused might be the exercise of the reasonable care and prudence have avoided an consequence of the negligence of the injury party. So ining doctrine of last clear chance. So ito ay nagsasabi na kahit na nagkaroon ng kapabayaan ang tao sa nasaktan, so maaari pa ring managot ang isa ka-akusado kung may pagkakataon siyang maiwasan ang aksidente. So gamit ang tamang pag-iingat, ngunit hindi niya ito ginawa. Voluntariness in criminal law. The concurrence of freedom of action, intelligence, and fact that the act was intentional. So, culpability felonies, there is no voluntariness if either freedom, intelligence, or imprudence, negligence, lack of foresight, of luck, and of skills and lacking. Without voluntariness, there can be no dolo or culpa. Hence, there is no felony. And number 2, according to the stage of their execution, Article 6, consummated, frustrated, and attempted. So first is consummated felonies. So a felony is consummated when all elements necessary for its execution are accomplished are present. So ining consummated felonies ko na. So matawag ng consummated felonies pag ang isa ka tao intention mo siya napat yun, yahimo mo na tanan ang dapat nimo himuon para mapatay ito isa ka tao. Amo yan matawag na consummated felonies. And B is frustrated felonies, when the offender performs all an act's execution which would produce the felony as a consequence, but which nevertheless do not produce it by reason of cause intended of the will of the perpetrator. So ang frustrated felonies is yaong yahimo mo na tanan ang dapat nimo himuon para patyun itong isa ka tao, pero yaigo mo na siya sa dili fatal part ng iya lawas. So amo yon ang example sa sa frustrated felonies. And last is C, attempted felonies. When the offenders commence the commission of a felony directly or overacts as does not perform all the acts of execution which should produce the felony by reason of some cause of or accident other than his own spontaneous desistance. So ining attempted felonies. So ining attempted felonies ko no is kung yahimo mo na ay kung wala mo pa ma-perform ang imo dapat pangahimuon kay yawi rason naman wala mo mahimo iton imo dapat himuon. So for example, so patyo mo na gariton isa ka tao tapos yawi pulis. So naman wala mo mahimo ang imong mga gusto himuon naman attempted felonies na siya. So crime related to classification of felonies as two stages of commission. So letter A, formal crimes. So ining formal crimes which are consummated in one instant and development of a crime. So letter A, overact. A commission of a felony is deemed commence when the following are present. So first, there are external acts, and second, such external acts have direct connection with the crime intended to be committed. Overact, some physical activity or deed indicating the intention to commit a particular crime more than a more planning or preparation, which if carried to its complete termination following its natural course without being frustrated by external obstacles nor by the voluntary desistance of the perpetrator, will logically and necessarily ripen into a concrete offense. So internal act, intent, ideas and plans generally not punishable. The intention and act must concur. So ang international acts kuno ay tumutukoy sa mga intensyon o idea o plano ng isa ka tao na gumawa ng krimen. Karaniwan hindi ito pinaparusahan ng batas. So dahil nasa isip pa lang ito, wala pa nila himo sa actual na kilos. And sunod, number 2 is external acts. So ining external acts ang external acts ay isang mga actual na kilos o gawa na ginawa ng isang tao o isa ka kriminal. Attempted stage element. First, the offender commences the commission of the felony directly by overacts. Number 2, he does not perform all the acts of execution which should produce the felony. And number 3, the non-performance of all acts of execution was due to cause or accident other than his own spontaneous distance. So distance is an absolutary cause which negates criminal liability because the law encourages a person to desist from committing a crime. So ang distance kuno ay kapag ang kusang tumigil ang isang tao sa paggawa ng krimen bago ito makumpleto. So nga disab sa subject phase. So ang subject phase ay ang bahagi ng paggawa ng krimen mula sa simula ng aksyon ng isa ka offender hanggang sa punto na may control pa siya sa kanyang ginawa. Isa frustrated stage element. First, the offender performs all the acts of execution. So an offender is himo na niya na ang tanan dapat himuon sa pag-execute pero wala gyapon siya ma-success. And second, all the acts performed would produce the felony as a consequence. And 3, but the felony is not produced. And number 4, by reason of causes independent of the will of the perpetrator. So, consummated stage element. So, the offender has performed every act required to commit the crime. And second, the intended criminal outcome or consequences is actually produced. 3, according to their gravity. So grave felonies are those to which the law attach the capital punishment or penalties which any their periods effective in accordance with the Article 25 of this code. So effective penalties: A. Reclusion perpetua, and B. Reclusion temporal, C. Perpetua of absolute DQ, so and D. Perpetua of temporary special DQ, E. Prison mayor, and F is fine more than 600,000. And F is fine more than 6,000. So nga di sabi sa least grave felonies are those which the law punishes with penalties which their maximum period are correctional in accordance with the above and mentioned article. Correctional penalties. So ano yung mga correctional penalties? Letter A. Prison correctional, B. Arresto mayor, C. Suspension, and D. Destierro, and E is fine equal to or more than 200 pesos. So light felonies are those infraction of law commission of the which penalty of light penalties. Amo ini mga light penalties. So A is arresto mayor, or B. fine not exceed 200 pesos, or both. So conspiracy and proposal to commit a crime. So there is proposal when the person who has decided to commit a felony proposes its execution to some other person or persons. A conspiracy exists when 2 or more persons come to the agreement concerning the commission of felony and decides to commit it. So, proposal to commit a crime. So, proposal kapag ang isang tao ay nagpasya ng gumawa ng krimen at inalok o iminungkahi niya ito sa ibang tao, so upang isagawa ang krimen. So ang conspiracy ay nangyayari kapag ang dalawa o higit pa tao nagkasundo na gumawa ng isang krimen na nagpasya silang isagawa ito. So requisites of conspiracy. So first is 2 or more person come to an agreement. So more than 2 persons na yaga sinabot na mo commit na ito ng crime. So second, the agreement pertains to commissions of a felony. And third, the execution of the felony was decided upon. So general rule: when the conspiracy is established, all who participated they are responsible of the quantity of quality of his participation is liable equally whether conspiracy is pre-planned or instantaneous. So ining general rule, kapag napatunayan ang conspiracy, lahat ng taong kasali dito ay pantay-pantay sila mananagot sa krimen kahit iba-iba ang kanilang naging papel o contribution sa ito na crime. So nga sab kita sa exception. So ang exception kung ang isang mga kasabwat ay gumawa ng ibang krimen na hindi kasama sa kanilang kasunduan, so siya lamang ang mananagot sa krimen na yadto gihimo. So nga sab sa exception to the exception. So kung ang isang ginawa na ay isang single indivisible na offense o isang krimen lamang na hindi maaring pahiwalayin lahat ng kasali sa conspiracy, ay mananagot pa rin.